What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to start using Trojan Bot and how to deposit Solana on your Trojan Bot. Now to do that the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. In case you guys haven't started using Trojan Bot, you guys can go and start using it from the link in description below this video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to our Google Chrome and we're gonna open Phantom Wallet extension. We can search Phantom Wallet extension in our Google Chrome and head over to this link and add this extension to Chrome. Once your extension is added, it will appear right here just like this. And now back to the topic, what we will do is hit the start button in order to deposit Solana. So simply go and hit this start button right here, and once you hit it you will see this kind of interface popping up. Now this is your wallet address of your Trojan bot. We can use this address now to deposit Solana in it. So simply copy this address, head over to your Phantom wallet, log into your Phantom wallet. Once you do that, what we will do is click on the send button right here and we'll select Solana, paste this address right here and hit the next button, click on send, and once you do that your transaction would be successful after a few seconds. Well, that's how you can do it. And after that simply go and hit the refresh button uh, right here. Simply go and hit this button and your balance would be updated. Well, that's how you can do this. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.